Troubleshooting. Will not turn on. If the Eureka Gold will not turn on, recharge the battery. If there is still no power, check that the battery connectors are not dirty. If the connectors are dirty, wipe them with a clean, dry cloth. No sound. Check that the detector is switched on. If the detector switch is on, but there is still no sound, turn the threshold control to the position indicated in the Quick Start Guide. If using headphones, ensure that the headphone plug is pushed all the way into the control box. Unstable audio. Ensure switches are set as described in the Quick Start Guide and that the coil cable is securely plugged in. If using headphones, ensure that the headphone plug is pushed all the way into the control box. Remove the coil skid plate and remove any loose dirt. Reduce the sensitivity control to the highest stable position. Reduced detection depth. Remove the coil skid plate and remove any loose dirt. Check that the coil cable is securely plugged into the control box. Ensure that the nut and bolt that attach the coil are plastic and have not been replaced with a metal nut or bolt. Using metal nuts or bolts will significantly reduce performance. Ensure switches are set as described in the Quick Start Guide. Check that the gold detector is switched on. Recharge the battery. If using headphones, ensure that the headphone plug is pushed all the way into the control box. Loose coil. If it becomes difficult to tighten your coil and the coil falls forward, replace the rubber teardrop-shaped washers. For more detailed information, refer to your instruction manual or go to www.minelab.com.